Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the top 5 platforms for creating online courses. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So which platform is best for an online course? With more and more online courses being offered these days, it's not hard to see why schools, businesses, and other organizations are so desperate for more online courses. If you want to make and teach these kinds of courses yourself, you will need to find out which platform is best for that. The thing is, this is a lot easier than you think, and the first step is to learn the pros and cons of these platforms. Here are 5 platforms you might want to think about if you want to make online courses. 1. Teachable. The best thing about Teachable is that it is easy to use. It already has most of the tools you need to make any kind of online course. So all you have to do is upload your course materials by following simple instructions. There are 3 membership options, starting at $29 per month, and everything you need to know about your course is laid out in easy to read detail. 2. The website, Thinkific. Thinkific is a great, easy to use, all-in-one learning platform that has helped more than 30,000 people make sites for online learning. If you are just starting out, the site has a lot of information that will help you market and sell your courses. It also has a lot of templates to use and a community forum that your students will find helpful. The best thing about this platform is that it has a plan that is free. 3. Kajabi. This site has a lot of useful features, such as unlimited access to marketing help, an easy-to-use layout, help with making the perfect landing page, and the ability to add an existing mailing list to your site. There are templates that make it much easier to make a site, and the best part is that membership plans are very affordable. 4. LearnDash. It is a well-made WordPress plugin that can be used by anyone. The site is for everyone, and it now runs many learning programs for top universities, well-known bloggers, and entrepreneurs of all kinds. LearnDash has 3 different plans that start at about $159 per month and let you upload as many courses as you want and use as many features as you want as well. 5. Kartra. You can use many drag and drop designs with Kartra, which makes it easy to use. Since it's all done in the cloud, you will need to be connected to the internet to use it. There are a lot of templates you can use, and it even comes with pre-written sales materials you can use to promote your site. If you're just starting out and want to make money with online courses, this is a great place to start. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.